Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Patched Ellie from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off on the top right of the page, and let's draw the first eye with a circle. Now inside on the bottom left, let's add another circle. And then color it in black. Lastly, for this eye, let's add some eyelashes on top. And that's it for the first eye. Next, let's move up and draw the bow. Above this eye, let's draw a square on an angle. Then from the sides, let's draw an angle out, down, and curve it back in. And the same thing for the other side. Now let's hop over on the left and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start on the bottom left of the bow and let's draw an angle out and then curve it down. And now from the end, let's curve it back in. Now for the bottom part of the mouth, let's curve it down. And then bring it back up under the eye. Now in the top section, let's add two small circles for the nostrils. Now let's hop inside and add the tongue. Let's start with a wavy line. And then curve it back in underneath. And that's it for the shape of the head. Now let's draw the shape of the body. Let's start on the top right next to the bow and let's draw a curve over and curve it down. And now let's follow that same curve underneath. Now from the outside line, let's curve it down and back out, stopping here. And the same thing from the other side, but let's loop it down and bring it around and behind like this. And now let's continue that line on the other side with a wavy line all the way over to the left and bring it up at the end. And then from the end, let's curve it down and follow that same curve all the way back in. And now that we have the shape of the body, next let's move in and draw the details. Let's start by adding the stripes. Let's start in the top and let's draw one next to the mouth. Then the next one under the bow. And then keep going all the way down the body. when you're done, it should look like this. Now let's move back up to the top and let's draw the other eyes. Let's start in the section to the right of the bow and let's draw a circle in the top. And then another smaller circle inside. And color this one in black. And lastly, on top, let's add some eyelashes. Now let's add another eye in the next section, but towards the bottom. And then for the next eye, let's draw one in the middle, slightly bigger. And then for the next section, let's draw two smaller eyes. And that's it for the eyes. Lastly, let's draw the spikes on the top. Let's start on the top next to the bow here and let's draw a V-shaped point up and down. And then let's continue it on the other side. Stopping here. And that's it for Patched Ellie. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!